Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ghost donut in Solar Smash. First, navigate to the unknown systems in your game. From there, select the Ghost World planet. This is our starting point for transforming it into the elusive ghost donut. Make sure you have this specific planet chosen before proceeding to the next steps. Next, you'll need to flatten the ghost world. Open the grid line tool and adjust the X, Y, and Z options to their maximum settings. Then, use a powerful missile weapon to systematically destroy and flatten the planet's surface. Ensure the planet is completely flat on both sides before moving on, as this is crucial for the donut shape. Once the ghost world is perfectly flat, remember to remove the grid lines. Now, select a laser or the lathe tool. Carefully aim and drill a significant hole directly through the center of the flattened planet. The hole needs to be large enough to clearly resemble a donut shape, ensuring it goes all the way through. Finally, with your perfectly flattened and holed ghost world, simply reset the planet. This action will trigger the game to recognize your creation. Upon resetting, you will unlock the ghost donut planet, adding this unique celestial body to your collection. Enjoy smashing with your new ghostly treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.